The source image for Warhol's numerous portraits of Chairman Mao was the frontispiece in Mao's famous Little Red Book, Quotations from Chairman Mao Zedong. At the time Warhol chose Mao as a subject, the book was extremely popular in intellectual and literary circles. After Richard Nixon traveled to China in 1972, the communist leader also was in the media spotlight. The official photo of China's revolutionary leader could be seen on the walls of homes, businesses, and government buildings throughout China. To Warhol's eye, this phenomenon may have resembled the advertising strategies of Coca-Cola. It was a pervasive visual campaign promoting mass consumption.
車面毛澤東嚇人搞到中槍。美國普普藝術大師 Andy Warhol 喺1972年畫嘅呢幅毛澤東畫像，下星期就會喺紐約拍賣。幅畫係已故美國影星 Dennis Hopper 300件珍藏之一，估計值成15至23萬港元。無他嘅，因為幅畫有段古㗎。喺70年代初 ，Dennis 有晚開 P 飲醉咗。Andy Warhol 知道老友向自己嘅作品開槍，唔單止冇嬲，仲寫上開槍示警同子彈窿呢幾個字，仲話幅畫係佢同 Dennis 合力創作添。Dennis Hopper 舊年病逝，臨終前叫仔女將自己嘅收藏品拎去拍賣。呢幅就係 Andy Warhol 10幅毛系列畫像中嘅其中一幅。香港華人置業主席大佬劉鑾雄06年就以1億3500萬投咗一幅，打破 Andy Warhol 作品嘅最高成交紀錄。佢幅畫仲被公認為10毛入面最好嘅一幅添。
Andy Warhol, born August 6, 1928, Pennsylvania, died February 22, 1987, New York, American artist and filmmaker, an initiator and leading exponent of the pop art movement of the 1960s whose mass-produced art apotheosized the supposed banality of the commercial culture of the United States.